Three. Hi, this is Shirish Kulkarni, basically representing Hutke platform from Stroth Consultech, and we have great honors to have Mr. Harish Bhatt, who is the brand custodian of Tata Group, to speak about TCS Sustainathon in alignment with the focus on Tata Group sustainability initiatives. Thank you so much, Harish ji.
Thank you so much, Shirish. I look forward to speaking at the TCS Sustainathon.
Excellent, excellent. And TCS Sustainathon, which is focused on idea generation about waste management, currently focused on students from Pune. It got launched on 15th of August 2021 in the auspicious hands of Dr. Mashelkar and has already seen about 3,000 ideas received and 60 teams formed to take this up to realization. As we are aware, Tata Group has many initiatives around sustainability and also always promoting and supporting the societal and noble causes behind most of the turning points in Tata Groups. And we have Harishji, who has been the brand custodian of Tata Groups and also been driving the Tata stories during pandemic. We would definitely be interested in understanding the mapping of how TCS Sustainathon finds itself alignment with the larger canvas of sustainability in Tata Group's context, and maybe mention about some of the associated Tata stories around it. So Harishji, over to you.
Thank you very much, Sirish. You know, I am looking forward greatly to participating in the fireside chat with Mr. Dinanath Kholkar at the TCS Sustainathon. What I'm hoping to do is engage our audience with some very powerful stories from the Tata Group on sustainability. Firstly, I'll go back to the history of our group, 153 years today, talk about our founder's view of what a sustainable corporation looked like. And I will talk very quickly about, his desire to provide clean hydroelectric power to the city of Mumbai. I will speak very quickly about, the township of Jamshedpur and how it came up when Tata Steel was created there. I will speak about how an artificial lake was created at Tata Motors, just near Tata Motors in Pune, alongside the Tata Motors plant itself. And then I will come very quickly to modern times. I will talk about what a brand like Tanishq has been doing for jewelry karigars to ensure sustainability of the jewelry industry. I will speak about some of the splendid initiatives that Tata Steel subsidiary has in place to run Jamshedpur town now using technology for waste management and for sustainability. I will talk about empowering the community. I will talk about splendid programs like Okhai, or like water conservation by Tata Chemicals in the arid area of Okhamandal in India, which I think are wonderful programs for us to bear in mind. But very quickly, I will also cover things like how the whale shark was protected by Tata Chemicals, or how elephant-human conflict was minimized by Tata Coffee, and how elephants and human beings live in harmony today in the coffee plantations in Coorg. And of course, I will talk about all the sustainability initiatives I have seen during my 34-year career with the Tata Group. So this is going to be a splendid session, Sirish. It's going to be some powerful stories, some storytelling, but equally, it is going to be an examination of the Tata Group's contribution to sustainability. I think Tata Consultancy Services has put a right step ahead in this direction of enabling awareness, building up ideas, and supporting the execution, particularly in the space of waste management. I'm sure this will be an example to many, many other companies, including Tata companies, to follow this model and success story. TCS Sustainathon is a brilliant initiative. It is going to create large awareness, engagement, and lasting change. My best wishes are with TCS and all your collaborative teams like the Pune Knowledge Cluster, the Pune International Cluster, and IEEE, who have created such a strong strategic buy-in for this initiative. And of course, the Pune Municipal Corporation, Swachh, the Aadhar Poonawalla Clean City Initiative, all of which are part of the execution body. These ecosystem partners are so essential to take this message far and wide. I'm sure this is going to be a great success story, and I look forward to an hour of powerful storytelling and wonderful conversation with Mr. Dinanath Kholkar. Thank you very much.
Well, I think that's nicely summed up. It is indeed a very insightful and inspirational message articulating how Tata Group, the stories around it, and Tata has have the DNA to build sustainability value at its core, and how TCS Sustainathon initiative is aligned and focusing the key aspect of waste management related to ideas of realization. This is going to really be inspiring for the participants and stakeholders to make TCS Sustainathon a soaring success in time to come and continue its journey to have larger societal impact. Thank you very much, Shariji, for this quick guidance that you have given to us. Thank you very much.
And thank you, Sirish, for hosting me at the TCS Sustainathon. I look forward to speaking to all of you at the Sustainathon event. Thank you.
Thank you so much.